Every school needs students. Key points to consider before registering students on Greynote. You may only register students currently attending your school. If a student has yet to resume the current session, avoid registering them until they start. Once registered, this information cannot be moved or deleted except by the parent's account linked to the child's profile on the Greynote Parent app. Before registering a student, ensure you possess accurate and complete information. If not, kindly obtain the necessary details from the student's parents or guardians before proceeding with registration. Here's what you'll need: the student's full name as it appears on their government-issued identification or any official document. Make sure to spell it exactly as shown on the document and maintain the order of the names. The student's date of birth, as recorded on a government-issued or official document. State of origin and local government area, if available on government-issued documents or official records. Parent or guardian's active and current email address, phone number, and home address. Ensure you have all this information before proceeding. Additionally, be meticulous in inputting the details accurately when registering the child. Now that you are ready, let us begin.